Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I want to talk about the next group of sounds on the manners of articulation, which is known as affricates. Unlike plosive sounds, affricates are those sounds produced with a partial blockage of the flow of air that is passing from the glottis through the mouth. That is to say, unlike plosive sounds, which we have a complete blockage, that is, we refer to them as stops sometimes. For affricate sounds, we have a combination of blockage and fricative, in the sense that instead of explosion, we have friction. That is to say, here we have partial blockage of the flow of air, and the sound is coming out more like the fricative sound with a little bit of hissing sound. That is like the sound of the snake. Right. So for affricates, we don't have complete blockage and the sound comes out like sibilant sound. So take note of that. So for affricate sounds, we have them only two in English language, and they are known as palato-alveolar sounds. They are known as palato-alveolar sounds because of the organs of articulation involved in the articulation of both of them. The organs involved in the articulation of palato-alveolar sounds include the tip and blade of the tongue, the alveolar ridge, and the hard palate. The alveolar ridge is the tooth ridge. The hard palate is the roof of the mouth. So when you say or pronounce or articulate any palato-alveolar sound, the tip of the tongue will be raised towards the alveolar ridge or your tooth ridge, whereas the blade of the tongue will lean on the roof of the mouth. For instance, if you want to say the voiceless palato-alveolar sound or affricate, you say ch, ch, ch. You observe that the blade of the tongue is on the hard palate, that is the roof of your mouth, whereas the tip of the tongue is on the alveolar ridge, that is the tooth ridge. So the difference between the sound ch and the other counterpart, which is j, is that ch is voiceless, whereas j is voiced. For instance, in the following words, we have the ch sound, as in church, chop, chin, chalk, chaplain, chancellor. So the first sound we have in each of those words is voiceless palato-alveolar affricate, ch. Whereas we have the voiced palato-alveolar affricate in the word job, joke, judge, July, Julia, jump, jingle, and so on. So in this particular set, the first sound there is produced with a vibration in the vocal cord. So while both of them are produced using the same organs of speech and in the same manner, the difference lies in the state of the glottis. So equally they are minimal pace. The only difference is that one is produced with the vibration of the vocal cord, whereas the other is produced without a vibration of the vocal cord. So So these are the only palato-alveolar sounds we have in English language. Remember, they are called palato-alveolar sounds because of the organs of speech involved, which are the hard palate as well as the alveolar ridge. And also note the fact that they are called Affricates because of their manner of articulation, because we have a little bit of friction during the pronunciation of the sound, and we also have partial obstruction, not complete obstruction. Ch, j are the sounds. Many thanks for watching this video. I remain Teacher Dixon. Please do well to comment, like this page, and also share this video to reach the wider audience. Many thanks.